If you're a data analyst and looking to succeed or aspire professional looking to break into this field, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing the must-have skills that every data analyst should possess and achieve career success. In today's data-driven world, having the right skills is crucial for data analysts to thrive in their roles. Without them, they may struggle to extract insights from data, leading to misinterpretation or ineffective analysis. This can result in poor decision making, wasted resources, and even damaged reputations. Data analysts may also face challenges in communicating their findings effectively, leading to confusion or mistrust among stakeholders. Moreover, they may struggle to identify key business problems, develop solutions, or measure the success of their interventions. Furthermore, the lack of essential skills can lead to data analysts being overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data, struggling to prioritize tasks, or failing to adapt to changes in the business needs. In extreme cases, it can even lead to their role becoming redundant or being replaced by automation. Let's dive into the essential skills that every data analyst should possess. Firstly, technical skills like SQL, Python are must haves for any data analyst. SQL enables you to extract and manipulate data, while Python provides a powerful platform for data analysis and visualization. In addition to technical skills, data analysts need soft skills like communication and critical thinking. Effective communication is critical in presenting insights and recommendations to stakeholders, while critical thinking enables data analysts to identify key business problems and develop solutions. Another essential skill is data visualization, which enables data analysts to present complex data insights in a clear and concise manner. This skill is critical in helping stakeholders understand data insights and make informed decisions. Let's take a look at real world success stories of data analysts who leveraged these skills to solve a major business problem. John, for example, is a data analyst at a retail company. He used his skills in SQL and Python to develop predictive model that forecasted sales trends. He then used his communication skills to present his findings to stakeholders, resulting in a 20% increase in sales. John's critical thinking skills enabled him to identify key business problems, develop solutions, and measure the success of his interventions. His data visualization skills helped him present complex data insights in a clear and concise manner, resulting in swift decision making by stakeholders. John's success story showcases the impact that data analysts can have uh, when they possess the right set of skills in this example. John's skill led to a significant increase in sales, demonstrating the value that data analysts can bring to the organization. In conclusion, it's clear that having the right set of skills is critical for data analysts to succeed in their roles. These skills include technical skills like SQL and Python, soft skills like communication, and critical thinking and data visualization skills.